Well guys, today we will see how to open Barclays Bank account online. At first, open your device Play Store or App Store. Now here, search for Barclays Bank and install their app in your device. After opening that app, accept all cookies and here you will find the option of I am new to Barclays at the bottom. By tapping over this option, it will ask which type of account you want to open, a current account or a business account. As I want to go with a current account, so I will choose current. Now in next section, it offer me 4 different types of accounts. Number 1, Premier Banking. Number 2, Everyday Banking. Then Student Banking. And the last one is Basic Banking. So here I want to go with Everyday Banking. Click on Apply. To open a bank account, I require following documents like my photo ID, then a current UK address and UK mobile number. Okay, and get started. So here we have only 3 steps and after that our account will be successfully opened. So click on continue, set a passcode, again re-enter the passcode and verify our account. In next section, click on next, accept all terms and condition, agree and continue. Again continue, and here we have to set a greeting message. Just it's your choice what you want to set. As I simply type ABC and then click on set greeting. Now enter your UK mobile number. In next step, a text message sent to your entered mobile number for a verification purpose and verify your mobile number. Now you have to verify your identity. Here you have to upload your documents and click on verify. After successful verification of your documents, your account will be successfully opened within 48 hours. Even within 7 working days, your debit card and extra details will be delivered at to your address. And I think this video is quite informative. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.